Destiny.
Hi.
And my sister.
Hi.
Today we are going to be doing a challenge. The last one to leave the pool wins. Before we get started, make sure to give me a huge thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed yet, make sure to hit that subscribe button. So now let's get started. You got the rest? Alright, let's go inside. Go, jump! It's cold! It's cold! It's cold! I'm running away! Let's play a game! Okay. Let's play with this one. Yeah. First, we're gonna start with these. Okay, let's get the rings. Okay, you get the red and... I made one! My turn. Alright, your turn. No! How do you do that? Go. Yeah! Ow. Okay, let me hit it. Hold on. Yay! Okay, I went inside the ring. Right, go. No, I didn't go a little bit.
It went inside.
Whoa.
Let me do this
I got that one.
Oh.
Let's see if she can make it, guys. Yay! I did it! She got two and I got one. Let's do the basketball.
Let me hit it far away.
Okay, I'm gonna try to get all of these, okay?
No!
Okay, I'm gonna do it all so far away.
Hit it.
I did it.
Yeah! I did it!
No, you didn't.
Yes, I did.
No, you didn't.
Watch. I did it!
You're trolling in circles.
I did it! 12.
Ah, you're like a ballerina.
You like it? Where are you going? 12.
Dad, come back here.
Where are you going?
Right. Let's do it again. Do this. Let's go around in a circle. Hi guys, I got a plan. So I'm gonna squirt my cousin with this water gun. So let's do it.
I'm stuck! I'm gonna get you back! I need to be protected!
I'm gonna be protected.
I'm gonna get you! Protected!
You can do that. Okay, get a little closer.
Out the way!
I can't. Think it out, Ellie.
It's a cold.
It's scary, dog. You should get out.
No, I don't want to. You get out.
No, you.
I'm not gonna get out.
Or maybe.
Maybe you should get out. Maybe there's a snake inside the pool.
Or maybe there's a shark in the pool.
I don't see sharks. Sharks are big.
What should I do to her? To get her out? Let us go. What should we do? Sweet her? Oh, okay. Oh, you're so... Oh, yes, if you don't get out! Does it replay this? Yeah. How do we play? Okay, you just have to throw it. We have to find them. Oh. I'll throw it. You have to find it, okay? Okay. Close your eyes over there. I'm not hiding. Over there? Oh, yeah, I am. I'm not done yet. Okay, try to look for them. Okay, look for some, cookie fish. Charlie, you're not putting them right. Look for them. I can see nothing. You have to try to use your foot. Fine, I will. Was she gonna find it, guys? I hope she doesn't. Wait. Hey. What? What? No, get away! I got one. No! 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 I can't find nothing here. No? I'll look at her too. I don't know where it's at. My goldfish. I got it. You did? No! Give me it! Do you want to get out already, Ellie? She does not. Alright. Are you hungry? I am hungry. I'm cold. You're not yet. Yeah, we're ready. Okay. Marco! Polo! I got you! I got you! Well, who is this? Oh, this is Ellie. I know this is it. Marco! Polo! Hey, what is that? Oh, damn! Marco! Polo! Marco! Polo! Marco! Polo! Polo! Hello! Marco! Polo! Marco! Hello! Marco! Polo! I got somebody. I got somebody. I got you. Marco! Polo! Marco! Polo! Marco! Polo! Marco! Polo! Marco! Polo! Marco! Polo! Marco! I got her! It's so boring and no one wants to get out. Don't hold me.
Do you want to get out? No? You're going to win?
What about we can order pizza? Let's order pizza. Hello? Yeah. Real phone, Jasmine. Oh, yeah, you're right. What should we do? It's gonna rain. Wait, it's gonna rain. Oh, yeah, this is the night. Oh, my God. It's gonna rain. Well, okay, we can't stay here. Okay, we're gonna play rock, paper, scissors, shoot to see who goes out. You ready? Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. I'm not kidding. No! You have to get out? No. Let's put up the game. No. Hi guys. Me and Nessie really want both to get out because my mom brought rock stars. And Mom has a car, so I really want it. So I'm getting out. No! I'm not gonna let you go.
The first one out.
So my mom said that she bought some Lockstar toys. So my cousin went out first and I went out second, and the winner is my sister Allie. So she chose the last one. So I choose a hot dog. I think there's a panda.
This is a princess.
Princess.
Yeah, princess.
And you can also hang them on your backpack or shoe. Like, you know, those pockets, you can put them in there too. Look, you can see your hot dog. Oh yeah, there's mine. Where's Addie's? Addie, where's yours? I don't know. So let's open our toys. Yes. Our pets, the best part of all. Whoa. How do you do that? No, Addie, because she needs. Here you go. So I got a hot dog. And I think there's something inside it. In the buddy. So, and I also got 2 keys, a green one and a yellow one. And they're bunnies. Yep. And I guess I got collector guide. Yeah. So we can see what's our character. Yeah, maybe it has a name. Oh, maybe. And I got a little drink. Oh, because it's hot, sunny day. That's why it's a hot dog. I got a mystery. What's inside? Yeah, something is inside there. So it's a mystery. So now let's see what's inside it. I'm shocked. Now let's see what my cousin has. I got a cute panda lock. And I think there's something inside too. In the little pocket, we're gonna use keys. So I have 2 keys that are different. I think they're cats. And I got a surprise too. Let's see what's inside. I got the same one! What? We're twins. Okay, Annie, your turn. What is that?
We have a queen.
A queen? You have a queen?
It's a key.
Oh, you're gonna open it with the key? What kind of key did you have?
Pink papa.
Okay. What is this? So what is this? Yeah, lips. Lip gloss or something.
Lipstick, I think.
What's in here? Open it. Is that a puppy?
It is a puppy.
Oh, it's a puppy.
But it's a robot.
A puppy robot.
Let's open it. What's inside?
Okay,
First,
I'm gonna try with the yellow one. Let's see if this works. Oh, it worked!
Look! It opened.
I'm gonna try this purple one.
See this.
It did not open. So
It
opened. Maybe
What
this.
the-
Oh,
butterfly.
open now. I think this is a butterfly.
Little butterfly.
Mustard! I got some mustard. Butterfly.
We have.
What is that?
I
got mustard.
Oh, it's
a necklace or a bracelet. So I'm gonna do this to hot dog mustard. I'm gonna see. Oh, that's a lot.
I like this.
You like it? Let's close it back up.
So we have 2 keys so we can open the belly. We
And
have this.
I guess this is.
I
I guess I will call it a lock. Oh, let's get our collector gun. Let's see what's their name.
Yeah.
So I found mine right here,
Oh, yeah,
and I found Jazzy's, and I found my
right
cousin's there. I found Destiny's right there, because it's a costume. It looks like it. I think next time I want this cute deer right here.
Hey.
This deer, so
And
pretty.
this one.
Sandwich.
Yeah, it's a sandwich. It's so cute.
Let me see where's Addie.
And then I can eat
There it is.
I'm
Go show
just
the
kidding.
camera. Say, this is mine, princess.
That's it for today, guys. If you like this video, make sure to give me a huge thumbs up and press that subscribe button. See you guys next time. Bye.